Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to link Instagram account from a YouTube channel. Follow these easy steps to link your social media links or Instagram links to your YouTube channel. So open your YouTube and make sure to sign into your YouTube account. And now click on your profile photo and click on YouTube Studio. Once you are in YouTube Studio dashboard, here scroll down and click on customization. And now select basic info here. Scroll down and here you will get this links section. Here to add your social media links like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Discord, just click on add link. In this link title box, you have to write the social media name that you want to link. Right now, I'm adding Instagram. And now in this URL box, you have to add your Instagram profile link. Once done, the same way you can add other social media link here by clicking on add link. Now click on publish. And now let's go to our channel. And as you can see, I'm in my YouTube channel and clicking on about. And as you can see, my Instagram has been successfully linked with my YouTube channel. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.